In this video, I show you how to schedule messages in Slack so your messages always land at the right time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. First, open Slack and log in using your email, Google or Apple account. Once inside, choose the correct workspace and navigate to the channel where you want to send your message. Type your message as usual, then look for the small arrow next to the send button. Click it and you'll see scheduling options. You can pick a suggested time or choose a custom date and time for full control. After setting the time, hit schedule message. To review or edit, head to the drafts and sent in the schedule section in the sidebar. Here you can double check, update or even delete your scheduled messages before they send. And that's it. You've learned how to schedule messages in Slack, making your communication smoother and perfectly timed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more simple guides.